Mm, market is open. I'm a minute late. 2 minutes late. But anyways, I left this up here from yesterday. You can see that target actually got hit. So I'm going to remove it. And this gap was filled. We do have an unfilled gap from last night. Right there. That one's been filled. That one came very close. But it actually just hit an R1. And then we have this one down here. So it would be nice if we can get back up, fill this gap, and swipe Asia, and then drop and take it out. Or we're going to come down and swipe this low and then pop. Or it'll keep going down into that 25,590. So this Asia low was a support from an Asia session. 2 days ago. Yeah, this is. I think it's just gonna go for a low. Yeah. So we're breaking previous day's low. Damn. Let's see if we can wait for any pop up, back up, and go short. See if we can get down to 66975. $700 psychological bounce here. that got me. Probably go now. There we go. Damn, I only had that set for frickin' 60. I wanted 100 ticks. It would have been an easy 25 points. Save. Okay. I need to lose money on that one. Shit. Need to lose, like $40. Yay. Stop loss. 8. There we go. That'll work there. That was perfect. There you go. There is the sweep. I'm tempted for a scalp long right here. Damn, that would have been 25 points. Yep. Yep. Damn. Damn it. What did I say? Sweep 670? So 670 back up to 700. 30 points. I think it'll go lower. 590, 75. So market's down 160. Swept Asia. Never filled the gap to the upside, but we have this 590 gap to the downside. 600. let it go. Wow. Oh, 590. Come on. Try and scalp it long. See if there is a pivot down there. Yeah, you got an S2 at 83.50. Ah, fuck. What the fuck was that? So we have an unfilled gap and a S2 pivot between 183.75 and I'm sorry, 583 and 590. Oh, 583, 589. When they hit, it'll automatically set my stop and try and go for a 100 take profit bounce. We'll see if we get tagged in. Damn, freaking 50 points from there. That's what I was hoping. I was hoping I get tagged in and hit and get that right there. Exactly that. I knew this area would have a... Am I freaking off somehow? There's right into Asia low. Try shorts. So this is hitting Asia low. Well, that was a beautiful scalp. So I'm just going to wait again to see if we can fill that gap. I don't think the objective is hit to the bottom yet. Definitely would have been. That was 30 points at least. 40 points. No. 40, 50, 60, 70. Yeah. Now down to 30. Yeah, this is just a reaction down here. Damn, that was a fucking short right there. Slow, sketchy grind back down. So you can see where I shorted that first reaction there, right? I was waiting for this to get tapped, this blue line, this zone here, hoping that it would pop back up from there. But it cut us shy and it went straight up, and I scalped that short right here at this Asian, that was Asia low. So I really would like to wait till this all gets filled in this zone here. I don't trust longs yet, like so. I'm not gonna try long until this low gets taken and these two get taken. And that's why right there. Damn, that's setting up. You can see a small trend line. Kind of looking at this. And then you get this. Crack this, head down, take out this pivot here. Yep. You gonna fake me out? Oh wow. Those accounts were already green. So, and all of my accounts are already green actually, but yeah, this is not, I'm not liking this, but got out green on that one. I'm just gonna wait, but you can see how this is playing out, right? Take this out down here. Yep. Go down. Take it out. Yeah. Look at that. All right, so we'll wait for 590.75. Had a freaking fantastic entry. Fantastic entry right there. And I didn't hold it. Thought I was gonna get stopped out for sure, but exactly what I said. Crack this area and come down back to fill the gap. So let it go down and hit. Like to see at least 590. If it doesn't hit it, I'm not going long. I'm just gonna wait. Doesn't want to. Just gonna set a buy there, and sorry. $83.25. See if it swipes 80. Right, that's what we were waiting for before. These ones are done. 735 on one and 400 on another. And I got like 225, 190, 185. We can grab 15 points from here and be around 500 on the rest for the day. Come on down. You know, I don't want to short into 600, but you'll probably get 15 points. $180. There's the gap fill. I was being a little cautious and going lower. Swipe it. Fill me. Swipe it. Fill me. Pop. Maybe I was thinking it would get a little too low. Yeah. We filled the gap right there. Not a big large reaction. You know, sometimes when they do it short and they do the large reaction in advance, it won't happen when it actually hits it. But let me just go for it. Right. Sweep that. Come on. Come on. Shit. There's the suck up I wanted. 92. Yep, just go back up to that 600 level. Damn, weak. Real weak. Yeah, not good. Come on, don't do that to me. Damn it. Are you joking? get a nice pop. It's just not going to. Wow. Wow. I do believe it's going to rip here. $627.25. It could go quite a lot, but it's using the gap fill as resistance at this point. Holy shit, yeah. Let's see if we can get 10. There we go. There we go. Fucking fucka. Bam. All right. 521 on that one. 485 on that one. 345 on that one. This is what I'm looking for a bounce. Was up to 627.25 if it could get up there, but I'm not greedy. I will take my, 20, 30, 25 points. Was that? I'm not sure. But I moved it up to 610 roughly, right? Bam. There's that 23. There's 627. Look at that. Holy shit. There we go. Going right through that 23. So I got stopped out a couple times. I was green though already. So I think at the most I was down with 70, 80 bucks from being up, 200. So, which is fine. But I let my runner go. Made everything back plus 500 in that one, 400 in another, and 300 in another, right? This is the area that I wanted this to happen, that I was saying already, right? So I'm just going to stick with my plan. And today was a freaking killer day. So I'm going to be done trading for today.